The maintenance of nozzle. Today, we are going to learn the maintenance of nozzle. We need some tools as below: the diagonal cutting pliers and a small electric drill. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Clamp the nozzle with the diagonal cutting pliers and clean the remaining filament inside the nozzle with the electric drill. Please pay attention to the electric drill during drilling process. Don't push to the bottom of the nozzle at once, as it may result in that the drill wouldn't rotate smoothly. Instead, we should move the drill back and forth. Step 2. Now it's time to check if it's okay or not. We need to continue to clean. If the light didn't pass through the nozzle, then just continue to drill inside the nozzle back and forth. Step 3. Check the nozzle again. It means okay if the light passed through the nozzle perfectly. Alright, the maintenance of nozzle is successful.